Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to make text bigger in Character AI. So if you also want to make text bigger in Character AI, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Character AI application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Wait for the application to load. Make sure to create an account for yourself. Make sure you sign into your account. Here I'm already signed into my account. Once Character AI application is open, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be in the chats interface. You can see several options over here. At bottom you'll be able to find the option for chats, create, explore and notifications. In the chats interface you'll be able to see the recent chats over here. Simply tap on the chat of your choice. Now you can see over here that particular chat will be opened. Now you'll be able to chat with the character. If you want to make text bigger, it is very simple. Simply tap on the message box that you can see at the bottom. Now if you want to send the big text, what you have to do is type in hash. Now also tap on the space bar. Now type in your message. After that, simply tap on the send icon that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here the text will be bigger than the usual. So that is how you make text bigger in Character AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.